Tanisha at The Honey Company, and I am going to show you today how I make onion soup mix. I like to use herbs from my garden and some that I bought from the store, and I use onion soup mix a lot of ways, more than just for onion soup. So I use it to flavor a dip. If you mix it with sour cream, it's really delicious as a dip. I also use it for like on a roast, like our pot roast today, use some of it on that, and to make salad dressings and other things like that. So it's a really versatile mix, and I just thought you might enjoy it too. My favorite way to eat this mix is as a dip. If I take 1/4 cup of this mix and 1 cup of sour cream. I like Daisy brand sour cream because it has really clean ingredients. If I mix those together, it makes a delicious veggie dip that is a hit at every party. My kids love it, my friends love it. It's a really requested item. Okay, so here are my ingredients for the soup mix. We have salt, I just like sea salt, basil, we grow basil in our garden, oops. And this is parsley, also from our garden. Ground pepper from the store, garlic, granulated garlic I just bought, just like to buy it in bulk, and then minced onion. So we take this to make onion soup mix. I already have a little bit in there, but I'm going to make another batch to just kind of double it in there so you can see. Okay, so first thing, I'm going to take 5 tablespoons of minced onion. So I based this, my jumping off point for making this was Lisa Leek's 100 Days of Real Food. She has an onion dip in her cookbook that's really great, and this is adapted from that. So you do 5 tablespoons of onion, and it's pretty rough, like it doesn't have to be exact. 3. I always like to find a good jumping off spot for a recipe and then just kind of adapt it to what I like and what I have on hand. So there's 5 tablespoons of onion. Then we do 2 tablespoons of garlic powder. So that was minced onion and dried, and this is powder. So it's a little bit more potent. So we have 2 tablespoons of garlic. And this stores for a really long time, so I like that. I do 1 tablespoon of parsley. I use a heaping tablespoon because I like parsley, and because, see, it's not chopped as finely because it's from the garden instead of from the store. So we get it nice and heaping full. Parsley. We do a tablespoon of salt. Less if you're worried about your salt content in your food, more if you like more salt. This is about what I like. Tablespoon of salt, some basil, and this calls for a 1/2 teaspoon, but I just give it, you just guess. Okay, basil, and then black pepper. That's the last ingredient. You measure out, it's about 1/2 teaspoon too, so I just guess, throw it in there. Put the lid on to this onion soup mix. I made a little label there. Get the lid on. And then shake it up. And then you have a nice soup mix to use for dips and other things. Okay, so I hope you'll try this onion soup mix. It's really delicious, and I use it instead of ranch dressing mix too, if a recipe calls for that. I like to use something homemade and then I can skip like some of the preservatives that may be in a ranch packet from the store, and I can substitute about 1/4 cup of this for a ranch dressing packet, and that works great too. Anyway, enjoy. Happy onion soup mixing.